In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure the chart of accounts in Zoho Books. If you're setting up your accounting system or refining how your finances are organized, this walkthrough will help you add a new account cleanly and confidently. Think of the chart of accounts as the backbone of your bookkeeping. It's the structured list of all the places your money comes from and goes to, and getting it right now will make your reporting accurate and your workflows smoother later. Start by opening your browser and heading to books.zoho.com. Sign into your Zoho Books organization if prompted. It's best to do this from a desktop so you can see all the options clearly. If your company uses roles and permissions, make sure your user has access to accountant settings so you can create accounts. Once you're in, look for the accountant section in the main navigation. Depending on your layout, it's usually on the left sidebar. Click that to reveal the accountant tools you'll use for setup and control. From there, open Chart of Accounts. This page shows your existing categories grouped by type, such as assets, liabilities, equity, income, and expenses. Take a quick glance at what's already there so you don't accidentally duplicate a similar account. To add a new one, click New. This opens the account details form. You're creating just a single account here, which is perfect when you know exactly what you need to track. Begin by selecting the account type. Choose the category that reflects how the account will behave in your books. For example, bank and cash accounts are assets, credit cards, and loans are liabilities. Owner's capital is equity. Sales revenue is income, and costs like rent, software, and utilities are expenses. Picking the correct type is crucial because it determines where the account appears on reports and how balances roll up. Next, enter a clear, specific account name. Use a naming convention your team will recognize, like software subscriptions instead of something vague. Then add an account code. A thoughtful numbering scheme makes sorting and reporting easier. Many businesses reserve 1,000 to 1999 for assets, 2,000 to 299 for liabilities, 3,000 to 39999 for equity, 4,000 to 4,999 for income, and 5,000 to 5,999 for expenses. Stay consistent with whatever structure your organization already uses. Finally, write a brief description that explains the account's purpose or examples of transactions it should include. This small note helps prevent misclassification later. When everything looks good, click Save. Your new account will appear in the chart under the selected type and will now be available when you create transactions and run reports. That's all there is to it. Simple, precise, and set up the right way from the start.